Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable passcode for transaction on Trust Wallet. So if you want to enable passcode for transaction, maybe you want to transfer any form of currency or digital asset, and you don't want maybe people beside you, or you don't want people to have access to your transaction that you've been now aware, here's how you can get it done. Just tap on Trust Wallet app on your phone. Once tap on it, then you can open your Trust Wallet with your passcode or Face ID or fingerprint. So I'm just going to input my passcode. Then from there, I'll tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon at the left top corner. Then I'll scroll down a little, then tap on security. Then you input your Face ID, your fingerprint, or your passcode. So you can see right here. Then once you do that, then you make sure that this passcode option is toggle on your phone. If it is not, you have to turn it on. Then you set up a passcode. After that, then you tap on this transaction signing. Tap on it. Then anytime you want to transact, you want to make any form of transaction on your account, you will have to sign in or ask for approval to go ahead with the transaction, and that will actually requires your passcode or your Face ID. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.